Hello people, welcome to a new video. I hope you are all doing fine. This is a perfect day for a new video to learn something cool. And in this opportunity, we are going to be learning how to make or create a blank quiz in Google Classroom. So, let's go for it.
Well, okay, the first thing we have to do is open our browser and type www.google.com. Let's go here to the blue button called Sign In. Let's type our email address and let's enter our password. Now we are already logged in to our Google account. Okay, let's search for the Classroom app here. And let's go to our class. Let's open the classwork section here. Let's click on Create. And then let's click on Quiz Assignment. And here we can title the assignment if we want, for example, Exam Number 1. Here, as you can see, Google Classroom already created a blank quiz for us. Let's click on it. And now we are already in our blank quiz, ready and prepared to modify the options. Let's go to the settings wheel here. And the first thing we have to know here is that the most important tabs are only two, the General tab and the Quizzes tab. In the General tab, make sure to check this box here, Collect Email Addresses. This is very important. Let me say it again. This is the most important box to check. And the other option important here is this, limit to one response. Please check it. This will limit your students to send only one response. This is really important because this is an exam and will require your respondents to sign in to their Google account. Now, let's go to the Quizzes tab. Here we have to be sure that this option is activated. Make this a quiz because this will assign point values to your questions and allow self-grading. But we will release our grades or marks later after our manual review. So check this little button here. And these were the two most important options to check. This was a short video. In the next video, we are going to view how to add questions, sections, colors, and a nice look to our exam. I mean, the general aspect of our exam.
Okay people, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this short video. I hope you liked and you enjoyed it. Please give me a like and subscribe if you liked it. And let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this one. Bye and see you next time.